my name is Marinez. I'm from Brazil. First of all, I'd like to thank so much for the opportunity to present your paper in this Congress with the title The GreenMetric Tool as a Strategic Driver in a Higher Education Institution, Considering Different Realities. This paper was made with two other authors, Marinez, Vitoreli, and Marinez, who I would like to thank so much for their efforts.
I'd like to show the structure of the document, divided an introduction, methodological approach, results and data analysis, concluding in remarks.
In recent years, environmental issues have always been at the center of discussions. In this context, the role of a higher education institution has been very important to dissemination of the concept of sustainability. Therefore, the general objective of this work is to address the issues of sustainability in the context of higher education institutions. It's hoped that this case study presented create motivations to other institutions. In 2019, the Toledo institution was registered in the GreenMetric ranking. Being its 30 years of participation, knowing and answer the GreenMetric questionnaire provide great learning as well as the survey of its strengths and weaknesses in the field of sustainability. The main contribution of the work were the experience of a Toledo institution located in the countryside of Brazil, which until now unaware of GreenMetric indicators. Motivated to improve its environmental and sustainable practices, has registered participation as well as demonstrated that it is possible to improve its indicators and, in the case presented, with relatively low costs. Thank you so much.